In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find KeyBank mobile branches and ATMs near you. If you ever find yourself in need of a KeyBank branch or an ATM and aren't quite sure where the nearest one is, you're in the right place. Let's take this step by step, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to locate the branch or ATM you need quickly and efficiently. First, open up your preferred web browser. Once you're there, head over to the KeyBank website by entering the URL www.key.com/personal/onlinebanking/onlinebanking.html. This is the official online banking page for KeyBank, where you'll find a wealth of resources including tools to locate branches and ATMs. Now give it a moment to load, especially if your internet connection is a bit slow. Once you're on the home page, scan the top right corner. You'll notice a menu icon characterized by 3 horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the hamburger menu, and it's your gateway to a range of different options on the site. Go ahead and click it. When the menu expands, look for the option labeled Locations and click on it. This will direct you to the page specifically designed for finding branches and ATMs. On this new page, you'll have the opportunity to search in a couple of ways. You can input either a city and state or simply enter your zip code. This flexibility is particularly useful if you're planning a trip or if you're not familiar with your current surroundings. After typing in your search criteria, take a look around the page. Directly below your search bar, you'll spot several filters, as well as the option to toggle between a list view and a map view. These filters are quite handy if you're looking for something specific like an ATM, a branch that operates during extended hours, or one with drive-through services. Just check the boxes that apply to your needs, and there you have it. With these filters set, you'll see a refined list of branches and ATMs that match your criteria. You can choose to view them on a map for easy navigation or stick to the traditional list for a straightforward readout of addresses and additional details. Following these steps will help you quickly locate the most convenient KeyBank mobile branches and ATMs, ensuring you have access to your bank services whenever and wherever you need them. So next time you're out and about or planning your day, you'll have the confidence of knowing exactly where to go for your banking needs. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and happy banking.